Good morning, students. My name is Hari Krishna. I am your chemistry teacher. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is fiber to fabric. What we are going to learn this chapter is mainly we discuss about wool and silk, how they are obtained, what are the source of that, and how to process that fiber to wool as well as cocoon to silk. Means how to prepare the wool and silk. That is a main topic we are going to discuss in this chapter. Let us start the chapter, that is fiber. Fiber means it is like a thread. It is obtained naturally or artificially. You can see in this slide very clearly that fiber is like a thread. Have seen that diagram clearly? It's like a thread. This first diagram, you can see the thread like material that is obtained from banana tree. So fiber means it is like a thread material, thread like substance that is obtained from naturally or artificially. By using chemicals also we can prepare this fabric. By using chemicals also we can prepare fiber. So next fabric means fabric means it is a cloth that we use for different purpose in our daily life. We can see very clearly that nowadays we use so many types of clothes. That is nothing but fabric. You can see in this diagram the fabric. Don't think that only girls, the clothes which are wearing by girls is said to be fabric. This can be used by men or women or in daily life. Everybody can use it fabric. Next. So while if we are thinking about this topic, we may have so many questions. We may come across the questions like how this fiber is obtained, from which part of the animal or plant it is obtained, and how it is converted to fabric, how the silk clothes are prepared. For all these questions you can get answer in this chapter. So generally wool is obtained from animals like sheep, yak, goat, etc. Silk is obtained from cocoon of silk moth. You can see clearly difference between fiber and fabric. Let's see wool means. Wool is such a substance which is obtained from different animals. We can see the types of animals from which we obtained wool. You can see goat, yak, camel, and different types of camels you can see. And you can see the main clearly the picture of that camels, goat, and yak and sheep. These are the main source for that wool. Now we have a doubt that okay, source is animals. How to obtain that from that source? That is a question. Yeah, you can see very clearly here. Wool is a material that is obtained from sheep, yak, or goat, etc. Generally, these animals, if you see the diagram, these animals bear hair on their body. Have you seen that clearly? They have the hair on their body. This hair is mainly used for making wool. Why they possess hair means, as we can see clearly that this hair traps the air. Remember, this hair present on their body, it traps the air, and this air is poor conductor of heat, so it keeps the body of that animal warm. That is why it is used by the animal. We people use this use this hair as a wool. So this wool is obtained from hairy fibers. So if you observe this, here we can see sheep, you can see here. This is your sheep. So from the sheep hair is removed. Fleece is other word used for hair. Okay, this sheep traps the heat, traps air, so it keeps the body warm. Mainly the animals present in the colder parts of the countries, the animals possess like this fiber which we use for wool. So this is how it is obtained. This hair is converted to wool, this wool is used by us. So this hairy skin of sheep is responsible for the wool. If you observe this hair present on the sheep, the hair present on the sheep contains two types. One is hair present on the surface of the body, upper part of the body, and the hair present near to the skin. So we can see very clearly that this hair present on the sheep has two types. One is the hair near to the skin, hair above the surface of the skin. So we can see that two types of hair. One is said to be coarse beard hair. This hair is present on the top of the body. This soft under hair, this is present near to the skin of the body. So this soft under hair is short one, very smooth one. The hair present on the top is a long one, rough one. So for making fiber we use short under hair because of its smoothness. So one is rough beard hair, other is fire under hair. So this soft hair is main source of fiber for wool. Different animals possess different types of hair, but we need a wool which is made of smooth hair. So for this we need such a sheep which gives smooth hair. So it is possible by using a method called selective breeding, because through selective breeding we can get a sheep which has a smooth hair all over the body. Then only it is fetching to us. How it is possible means by selective breeding. What is selective breeding? Let's see. In selective breeding, so we can see that selective breeding means it is a process of selecting the parents for obtaining the desired characters. Means like special characters like soft skin. To obtain such a soft skin, we are selecting a particular parent. This is called selective breeding. Through selective breeding, we select such a sheep which has smooth skin, such that we can get a fiber with good yield.